So you've probably heard about a lot of AI coding tools by now. But here's the problem that nobody's talking about. Most of these tools still make you do most of the work. You're copying code, pasting it into files, running terminal commands manually, testing everything yourself, and constantly switching between your editor, browser, and terminal. And honestly, it's exhausting. And if you're not a developer, you're completely lost trying to figure out what goes where. These tools promise to build apps for you, but they still leave you doing all the heavy lifting. Well, that is until now. Because today, I'm going to show you a workflow using Google Antigravity that completely changes this. With this setup, the AI runs terminal commands automatically, opens your browser, tests your app, and even fixes bugs, all without you touching anything. It's like having an entire development team working for you, while you simply manage the process. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Google Antigravity the right way. We're going to build two real apps together. First, a simple to-do app, then a powerful stock tracking dashboard. I'll show you how to customize everything using screenshots, annotations, and simple instructions, so the AI does exactly what you want. And most importantly, I'll share the safety rules that protect your work, so you never lose a single file. By the end of this video, you'll know how to go from an idea to a fully working app in just minutes, not days, not weeks, not months, and without doing manual work yourself. Alright, now that we're on the PC, first step, install Antigravity. Go to the Antigravity website. Download it for Windows or Mac. Run the installer and complete the setup. Once it's installed, open it. You'll see an interface that looks like VS Code or Cursor. But don't worry, we won't use it the traditional way. On the left side, click Agent Manager. This is your control center. This is where AI agents do the work for you. App 1, To-Do app. Let's build our first app. Click the plus icon. Create a new workspace. Name it To-Do app. Before prompting the AI, we need visual inspiration. Open a new tab. Go to vo.dev. Type Modern To-Do app with clean design and task categories. Generate a few designs. Pick the one you like. Screenshot the main interface. Now go back to Antigravity. Paste this prompt. Create a to-do app using React and Tailwind. Users can add tasks, mark them complete, and delete them. Use the attached screenshot as design inspiration. Attach the screenshot, hit send. Now watch this. The agent creates files, sets up the project, handles everything automatically, and then the browser opens. Your app is live. Add a task. Mark it complete. Delete it. It works. That took about 3 minutes. Making edits with planning mode. No code, no CSS, just point and it changes. App 2, Stock Tracker. Now let's build something advanced. Create a new workspace called Stock Tracker. Go back to vo.dev. Generate Financial Dashboard with stock charts and news cards. Pick one. Screenshot it. Back in Antigravity, paste this. Build a stock tracking web app using Next.js and Tailwind. Users can enter stock tickers and see real-time prices, news, and AI analysis. Use the attached screenshot as design inspiration. Now, here's the powerful part. Create two more agents. Agent 2. Set up real-time stock price API integration. Agent 3. Write tests for price fetching, news display, and error handling. Now 3 AI agents work at the same time. One builds the UI, one handles APIs, one writes tests. You're not coding, you're managing an AI team. Adding advanced features. Now add this prompt. Add a portfolio tracker that shows total value and daily gains or losses. The AI adds it instantly. Now use annotations again. Screenshot the app. Draw a box in the sidebar. right? Add a crypto section here with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana prices. Submit it. Live crypto prices appear. Everything updates in real time. No debugging, no terminal commands, no stress. Final wrap up. So now you've built a to-do app, a stock dashboard, real-time data, portfolio tracking, crypto prices, all in minutes. This is how you go from idea to app fast. If you want the exact prompts and templates, they're inside my free school community. First link in the description. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next one.